My name is Robert, and I got my membership with Canada Credit Fix after becoming a victim of identity theft last year. Before joining Canada Credit Fix, I had wasted almost 6 months of my time chasing my tail, trying to repair all of my credit myself, and I just got more and more frustrated with just the whole terrible process you have to go through. Canada Credit Fix was able to quickly restore absolutely everything on both of my credit reports, and they also even helped me protect myself from any future identity theft with their identity lock credit monitoring program.